Hey beautiful people! Welcome back to Learn with Emnet. Whether you're a storyteller, an African folktale lover, an AI content creator, animator, or 3D artist, or you're just curious about the latest AI tools, this video is for you. Today, I'll walk you through the best free AI video generation tools you can start using right now to boost your creativity. Let's dive in. Pixverse is first on my list. Just Google it and sign up. You will get free credits instantly. To generate a video, click Generate Video, upload your image, add a short prompt, and hit Generate. Each video costs 20 credits, meaning you can make up to 5 videos daily. The only downside is quality. Free tier gives 360p only, but trust me, even at 360p, it's still useful for testing ideas before you upgrade. Next is InVideo AI. Unlike Pixverse, this one lets you create a full video from just a script. Paste in your script, choose duration, platform like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, and then select your style. For free users, pick Continue with Basic to avoid subscription costs. When downloading, choose stock watermark and resolution 720p or 1080p for clarity.
I am rich, my treasures are endless.
I speak the truth. I work hard for my crops.
Begins with a single step. It's not about doing everything.
The videos come out super clean. Just trim out the watermark using CapCut or any editor. Free users get 2 videos per day, but if you're a motivational speaker or storyteller, this tool alone is gold. Vheer is still experimental but very promising. It does text to image, image to image, and image to video. The visuals are clean and free with unlimited generations for now. If you want, you can generate images elsewhere and just bring them here to animate. Definitely a must try. Moving on, Hauilo AI. This one is to be generous with credits, but now it only gives 100 credits on sign up, valid for 3 days. The cool part, you can upload up to 4 images at once and animate them together. Hauilo is professional and smooth, but if you need more credits, you need to subscribe. Next up, the powerful Kling AI. Sign up with Gmail and you get 166 free credits every month. Here's the special feature. It supports start and end frames. That means you can show 2 different scenes in one animation. For example, a woman carrying a pot on her head to the stream, and the next frame shows her already fetching water. Free users can only do 5 seconds videos and can't use custom prompts. But even without prompts, the results are super high quality. It costs 35 credits per start and end frame animation. Get consistent images from tools like Google Image FX, Microsoft Copilot, or Dreamina for the best results. The next on my list is Digin AI, and trust me, this is one tool you definitely want in your toolkit. It gives you 120 free credits every single day, and the visuals are super clear. You can also generate images here, so let me quickly try one. Wow! This image is incredibly sharp and beautiful. In fact, it instantly sparked a fresh story idea. If you'd like to see exactly how to generate story ideas from a single image, I already made a full video on that. Check out the link in the pinned comment. Now, let's move on to animation. Just click on the image to animate or upload your own if you prefer. And here's the best part. Just like Kling, Digen also supports start and end frames, which means you can tell a mini sequence or transition in one go. Definitely try it out and explore all the creative possibilities this platform offers. Grok AI by Elon Musk. You'll find it inside X, formerly Twitter. On desktop, you can only generate images, but on mobile, you can generate high-quality videos. Just install the Grok app from Play Store or App Store, sign up with Gmail, and you're set. With Microsoft Bing, desktop users can only make images, but mobile users can generate videos. So if you're on your phone, you can enjoy this tool right away.
RoboNeo. Another exciting one is RoboNeo. You can upload an image or video and add a prompt to control what happens. The visuals are highly detailed. To download, just right-click and save. I even made a funny cartoon here, and trust me, it was hilarious. Just remember to check their terms before using content commercially. Let's talk about Google Veo. Go to Google Media Studio, sign in with Gmail, and select Veo. You can upload images or type prompts to generate 8-second videos with up to 4 free generations daily. Veo handles prompts professionally and gives very realistic results. If you don't have Veo 3 yet, you should still have access to Veo 2. The next on my list is Videoinu. Just Google it. It's similar to InVideo AI, but with even more features. All you need is a script, and the AI generates the full video for you. Sign up with your Google account. You'll get 500 free credits on sign up. Once logged in, the first step is to create your characters. Click on AI Character Generator. Choose a style. I'll pick 3D cartoon. Enter details like name, age, and gender, then add your prompt or upload an image. Generate your first character, then repeat for others if your story has more. Next, go to AI Video Generator. You can either let the AI expand your idea into a script or paste in your own. The system then breaks it into scenes. Review them, make edits if needed, and click Next. Now add your characters to the scenes. After that, you'll move to the storyboard. Here you can animate your images. Each animation costs 100 credits. Select the key images you want animated, confirm, and let the system work. Finally, in the edit step, you can add subtitles, background music, choose aspect ratio and resolution, and click Generate. Once done, download your video. And that's it! Your full video created from just a script.
Kofi
Simple
through the
and
market,
powerful.
taking in the sign.
Finally, EaseMate AI. On sign up, you get 30 credits, and daily check-ins add more. You can generate either text to video or image to video. Free tier supports up to 8-second videos in 720 to 1080p quality. It uses both Runway and Veo 3 models, but Runway costs fewer credits. The results are realistic and smooth. Definitely worth adding to your toolkit. If you create long videos every day, here's a strategy. Use Veo 2 for key animations. Combine with EaseMate, 5 generations daily equals 40 seconds total. Add more scenes using Digen and Vheer. Use Pixverse for extras, and save Kling credits for special animations. And that's my list of the best free AI video generation tools right now. If you got value from this video, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and share it with someone who needs it. And if you want to stay updated on the latest AI tools and tips, don't forget to subscribe and join this growing community. Thanks for watching. Keep creating smartly, much love, and I'll see you in the next video.